Stop. Look at your battery percentage. Is it draining faster than it used to? You probably think your laptop is getting old, or maybe you have a virus. You're wrong. The truth is, Windows knows exactly what is killing your battery. It has a secret diagnostic report hidden deep inside your system files, but it doesn't want to show you. It's called the Energy Trace. It monitors every sensor, every driver, and every app for 60 seconds. But running it manually? That's for amateurs. Today, on Data Dev, we are building a Python tool to force the secret menu open. We're going to bypass the standard logs and visualize the data ourselves. When this bar hits 100%, you aren't just getting a text file. You are getting a full, military-grade hardware dossier that tells you exactly which app to delete. Your laptop battery is dying, and you don't know why. Today, we build a tool to expose the culprit. We import subprocess to hijack Windows tools and colorama because even diagnostic tools need to look cool. But wait, we have a problem. To read battery sensors, we need deep system access. This is _admin function acts as a bouncer. If you don't have root privileges, the script shuts the door in your face. To keep the user hooked, we need theatrics. I built a fake _scanning function. It prints tech jargon in neon green. It doesn't actually read the sensors yet, but it builds the suspense perfectly. Here is the magic trick. Windows has a hidden tool called powercfg. We use Python to trigger it secretly. It needs exactly 60 seconds to analyze your power usage, so we run a synchronized loading bar while it works. The moment of truth. The scan finishes, and we don't just exit. We auto-launch the generated HTML report directly in the browser. Now you can see exactly which app is killing your battery.